Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Cooper's Plains, and today we have a 2012 Nissan X-Trail T31 ST, stock reference number 4830. This shape runs from the 9th month 2007 through to the 12th month 2013. It has an MR20 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 6-speed manual front-wheel drive transmission. MR20 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. This vehicle has sustained damage in the rear end. The bonnet has one small dent, radiator grille, tidy front bumper cover, right hand headlight, left hand headlight, left guard has 2 small dents, left front 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, left power door mirror, left front door has 3 small dents, left rear door appears to have no damage, left rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the right hand tail light, LED type, right rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, right rear door has 1 small dent, as does the right front door. Right power door mirror, right guard appears to have no damage, and a right front 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. With the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior. It's got a black leather center console lid, manual type console, 6-speed manual gear shifter, heated controls, 6-stack CD player, top glove box, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, and the instrument cluster. This is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.